Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So the other day when I was trying manual hospital or Casper flip out, I accidentally flipped a dolphin flip out of one, as you can see here in the footage. So that makes me believe manual dolphin flip is possible. So while I'm already doing manual tricks the last few days, I figure I might as well try a manual dolphin flip out. Forward flip, dolphin flip, mental flip, whatever you want to call it. So let's cross our fingers and hopefully I can land a manual forward or dolphin flip out today. So let's get her done. That last one was super close. So I know it's possible, it's just a matter of getting the perfect balance manual and then getting a pop and flicking that dolphin perfectly. Let's just keep going until my batteries die, I guess.
The next day.
Second day in and I got one of them. Let's go. It was actually really clean too. There was honestly so many times I could have landed this trick. It's actually really hard to get that perfect mani balance to do a dolphin flip out. It seems easy in my mind, but physically trying to do it was hard. And it was a battle, and I don't really do manuals, so it was actually fun to try to land and do something new. But I got it, so let's go.
1 hour later.